Hi, now you'll forget about trading blunders. Why? You're about to find out. This is the FixProfit channel. Right now, I'm going to run some trades with my trusty AI assistant and tell you some important insights. My robot scans the market fast and makes recommendations quickly. It is also able to work with over-the-counter trading, which allows you to improve your trading quality at any time of the day, even on holidays. You can get the bot for free from the link in the description, and if you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager. He will tell you everything. Hurry up, in a month you will be able to get it only for a fee. So, the robot gave me a recommendation, lower. This is the currency pair Australian dollar and Japanese yen OTC. The expiry time is 5 minutes. I clicked on the red button on the broker's website. Now the market is feeling overbought and artificial intelligence has noticed it. It predicts that this will help the bears to improve their position and this will affect the 5-minute stretch. I can see that the preconditions for this are indeed in place. Folks, don't miss out on new useful content on my channel. Hit the subscribe button and the bell. Give me a like and comment. I get very motivated when I see your feedback. By the way, I am preparing for you a top course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. And most importantly, the course is absolutely free. Let's get one thing straight, if trading hasn't worked out for you yet, that doesn't mean it won't. Every legend you know today started out just like you, confused, overwhelmed, maybe even flat out broke. What separated them from the masses wasn't luck. It was obsession. It was resilience. It was showing up every single day, especially on the days it felt pointless. But before we dive deep into that grind set, let's talk about the lifeline of your trading journey, money management. This is not the sexy part. No one brags about only risking 1 to 2% per trade. But that's the key difference between a gambler and a disciplined trader. If your deposit is $100, your trade should be $1. Not $10. Not your rent money. $1. Your mission isn't to flip it overnight. Your mission is to stay in the game long enough to learn how to win. Think about this like training for the UFC. You're not walking into the octagon on day one. You're studying tapes, sparring, learning footwork, taking jabs so you know how to take a punch when the real fight begins. Trading is the same. Start light, study, absorb, survive, then thrive. And here's the truth, analysis beats emotion. Always. If you're the kind of person who still trades because you feel the chart's about to reverse, stop. Learn to read the indicators. Use RSI, Bollinger Bands, stochastic oscillators, tools that remove emotional bias. The goal is to make decisions like a machine, not a gambler in Vegas chasing the next hit. By the way, that's where my assistant comes in, my AI-powered analyst. It processes the market in a way your brain literally can't. And right now, for the next few weeks only, it's free for access. That's it. After that, it goes premium. The link's in the description. Don't sleep on this. And $1,248 just came into my account. Yeah, the bot showed me the trends and I saw the sense in them. Yes, it worked. According to the link in the description, together with the bot you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Higher, this is a new signal from the bot. I have increased the investment amount to $1,400. I am clearly following money management. So, now the bulls have a good chance to take the lead. The areas of rising lows show that the buyer's advantage is coming back to them. They can accelerate this momentum. Once again I want to remind you, friends, that I and my team help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. Friends, we have a group in Telegram. In it we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. Let's keep it real. I personally know people, good people. who left their 9-to-5 jobs not because they were born traders, but because they became obsessed with learning the process. They mastered one strategy, they stuck to a system, and now, they're funding their lives off trading, traveling, spending more time with family, living on their terms. But don't get it twisted, trading has risk. It's no different than running a business. You're making decisions under uncertainty every day. Like a startup founder betting on a product, you're betting on your strategy. That's why you manage your capital wisely. That's why you backtest. That's why you analyze every move you make. Here's a pro tip. Keep a trade journal. Write down the why behind every entry. Capture the indicators, timeframes, the market mood. Was there news? What was your entry signal? Your exit? Reviewing this over time will reveal patterns you never saw before, and that's where mastery begins. Now let's shift gears for a moment and address a myth. Some people are just born traders. False. You think Elon Musk was born with rocket science in his brain? You think Warren Buffett knew what a dividend was as a toddler? No. They learned. They failed. They obsessed. You can too. Get obsessed with the charts. Get obsessed with the process. And if you've made it this far, I want to ask you something. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your favorite indicator right now? How do you manage your capital? What's one mistake you've stopped making in your trading? The comments are where we grow as a community. Don't just scroll. Contribute. Help someone who's where you were 6 months ago. And if this video hits you in the gut in a good way, smash that like button. Subscribe. Share it with your trading group. This energy is for everyone grinding for something bigger. And here are the final seconds of my second trade. Yes, artificial intelligence helped me see promising trends again. It worked. I made a good amount of money in 2 transactions, $2,508. Take the robot for free. Take our course that will pump up your thinking, also for free. Links in the description. See you later.